Do simple tasks and earn yourself money. As you can see here, they are saying make money from anywhere, anytime. People are happier if they are more financially independent. We can help you achieve this. Join our strong community and earn money easily and safely from anywhere or wherever you want. But before I proceed, my name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online. If you are new here and you want to be getting notifications for my new video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and also smash the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section for me to know how you feel about this video. So let's dive into the video. Do simple tasks and get yourself paid in heroes. You can see micro taxing made for you. We don't just provide easy click jobs but offer interesting and fun tasks as well. Join us in shaping the future by participating in AI trainings, surveys, voice recording, and photo contest. So what you have to do is that you give out surveys, you answer surveys, you do voice recordings, and then you also submit photos. You can see here they have wide varieties of jobs for you to choose from, and there are great range of jobs available. There is always jobs to perform and there is always tasks to do on this particular website. And you can see here this person is getting 18.20 euros for taking picture. And then we have smart home expert record 10 common smart home commands. The person is getting 1.60 euros. You can see I said you are going to be doing voice recordings, you take surveys, you also snap and submit photos here. So all what you have to do is just to do simple tasks and then get paid. And once your work is finished and approved by the client, you can receive regular and secure payment with ease. You can receive your payment through PayPal and Payoneer. I have videos on how to create your Payoneer account and you start receiving money from in it instantly. And I'm going to drop the link to the video in the description of this video. And if you want to get paid through your PayPal account, you can actually chat me up on WhatsApp or on Telegram through the link that I will drop in the description of this video. And the payment is weekly, so like you can get your payment in weekly and you can decide for yourself when you can get paid. So there is no deadline for your payment. Once you get your payment and it has been approved by the client, all what you have to do is just to place for withdrawals and you will get it straight up in your PayPal account or Payoneer account. You can see they accept payment through Payoneer account and then PayPal. We have SEPA, simple single euro payment area. So like if you're in Nigeria, and I think the easiest way you can get your money is through PayPal and Payoneer account. So like they keep your data too, and then we take your data seriously. You can go through all these and there are right jobs for you. Your account balance always in sight, so you can easily track what you've earned and how much of it is available for payment. And there is safe environment and help desk support, so their customer care service is always available 247. So you can work from your smartphone and you can work on your desktop or notebook. So if you have a laptop or a computer, you can actually work on it and work on this website on your laptop or on your desktop. But I'm using my smartphone, and our smartphone is what we carry about every day, so I'm working on my smartphone. And download now for iOS and Android. So the clickworker app, the name of the app is clickworker and the name of the site is clickworker.com. So the clickworker app displays appropriate jobs for you, so you can quickly get an overview of the available job or work and get busy earning money. You can get busy earning money on this particular website. So discover a platform that has always has the right job for you. So you can take surveys, then you can take surveys, you can create informative text, a product description or article giving about a particular topic, and then you make your research. Then you go to nearby store. You can take picture of a product and upload them on Clickworker. So to get started, just make sure that you register on this particular website, and then you start doing the micro tasks and start earning money for yourself. So just click on sign up and then enter your details, just register and start earning money for yourself. So the registration is very very easy on this particular website, and then all what you have to do is just to do the simple tasks and start earning money for yourself. It's as simple as that. And there's no need for you to have any experience, there's no need for you to have any skills before you can get started working on this website. And then they have endless job opportunities for you, so you can earn money anytime, anywhere in the world. So what you have to do is just click on sign up and sign up on this particular website. So let me know what you feel about this particular website, and then let me know how you are actually catching up on it too. So if you want to chat me up, let me know in the comment section, and then you can actually reach out to me through my Telegram link. I will drop on this particular description of the video, and you can actually join us on our WhatsApp group where I share updates that I can't post on YouTube like that due to YouTube guidelines and the restrictions. So you can actually join us, and then you get updates, and then we also do giveaways too. Thanks so much for supporting me. And then all what you have to do is just to register here, put your name, your title, which is Miss or Mrs., your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, and then your password. Then click on continue and then start earning money for yourself. So I will see you in my next video.